Welcome to our channel Mystery Sphere. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a place where the laws of physics collapse, where space twists and time slows down. A place where even light, the fastest thing in the universe, is trapped forever. Welcome to the most mysterious objects in the cosmos, black holes. Today we are going to dive deep into the mystery of black holes. How do they form? What's inside them? Could they be gateways to other universes? And most importantly, what really happens if you fall into one? This is not just science. This is the greatest enigma of the universe. So, buckle up, because we're about to cross the event horizon. Let's start simple. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. But here's the mind-bending part. Black holes don't have a surface. They're not physical objects like planets or stars. Instead, they are a distortion in space-time itself. Albert Einstein, back in 1915, gave us the theory of general relativity. He predicted that massive objects bend space and time around them. But in some cases, this bending becomes so extreme that a cosmic trap is formed. That trap is the black hole. Picture this: a star, 20 times bigger than our sun, burns for millions of years. But when it runs out of fuel, the balance breaks. Gravity pulls inward, crushing the star in a violent supernova explosion. And then, the core collapses, shrinking smaller and smaller until it becomes an infinitely dense point. This point is what we call a singularity. Now imagine something the size of our sun collapsing into an object just a few kilometers wide, but with the power to trap light itself. Scary, isn't it? Not all stars can do this. Our sun, for example, is too small. But out there in the cosmos, giant stars are dying every day and giving birth to black holes. Now here's where things get interesting. Every black hole has a boundary called the event horizon. Think of it as the edge of a waterfall. Once you cross it, there's no going back. From the outside, the black hole looks invisible because it doesn't emit light. But around the event horizon, matter falling in creates incredible heat and light. We call this the accretion disk. So, what would you see if you approached a black hole? The light of distant stars would bend around it. Time itself would slow down. Imagine watching your spaceship's clock tick slower and slower until it almost freezes, while the rest of the universe rushes forward. That's not science fiction. That's Einstein's relativity in action. But once you cross the event horizon, everything changes. You're trapped. Forever. Here's the part that keeps scientists awake at night. What happens inside a black hole? At the center lies the singularity, a point where density is infinite and the laws of physics no longer make sense. Gravity is so strong that it bends space and time into unimaginable shapes. Some theories suggest that if you fall in, you'd be spaghettified, stretched thinner and thinner until your atoms are torn apart. Others believe you might pass into another dimension, another universe. So let me ask you, is the singularity the end of reality or the beginning of something new? The truth is, we don't know. Even the best equations break down here. The black hole guards its secrets with silence. Over the years, scientists have developed mind-blowing theories about black holes. Wormholes. Some believe black holes could connect to other parts of space, like tunnels in the fabric of the universe. Could they be gateways to time travel? Parallel universes. Another idea is that each black hole could create a new universe inside. Imagine, billions of universes born every second. Hawking radiation. Physicist Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes are not truly eternal. They slowly lose energy and can eventually vanish. So think about it. Are black holes destroyers of worlds, or are they cosmic creators? What do you think? Let's not forget, black holes aren't just theory. We've actually seen evidence. In 2019, astronomers captured the first ever image of a black hole in the M87 galaxy. It looked like a glowing ring of fire, surrounding a dark void. And in 2022, we finally saw the black hole at the center of our own Milky Way, Sagittarius A star. This monster is 4 million times the mass of the Sun, and yes, it's right in our galactic backyard. Black holes aren't faraway myths, they're real, and they're out there, watching. So here we are. After all this, one question remains. What really happens inside a black hole? Do you get stretched into atoms? Do you fall into another universe? Or does time itself stop forever? The truth is, no human has ever been there, and maybe we never will. But maybe that's the beauty of black holes. They remind us that the universe is still full of mysteries, that no matter how much we learn, there are always questions waiting beyond the horizon. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere, out there, a black hole is silently pulling in matter, bending time, and guarding the secrets of the universe. This is Mystery Sphere, and the universe has only just begun to reveal its secrets.